Hey, hope you're doing well. So in this video I'm going to show you a new funnel that we built on the Funnelish, and it's available as a template if you want to purchase. So it's a simple one. Like you can see, there's a slider and the bundles. Yes, we built this bundles with the custom coding, and I'm going to show you some more interesting part about that. But first, let's see. This is the FAQ, a review, then more reviews, and after that few more details. This one, more FAQs, and these comments or the reviews. Okay, let's go back. So this one is a simple and short, but the most interesting part is about this bundles. Okay, so you can select one piece or two or three even, and whatever the piece or the color you will select, and click on add to cart button. You will go to the checkout page with that quantity, and the colors that you selected on the landing page are already there selected on the checkout page or in the order summary, so client don't, or so the customer don't need to select the quantity or the color variants again. So it's like a Shopify experience on the Funnelish. So let me show you how it works. First of all, let's try the 2x, and I'm going to select the different colors, and you will also notice the image of the slider change as well on the color I select. Okay, let's say I select the gray. Now you can see the image of the slider changed, and other one I select the rosa. Okay, so gray and rosa. Now if I click on the button add to cart, you will see that these two colors are already there on the order summary and already selected. Customer just need to put their information and just buy it. So now if I click on add to cart, let's go to the checkout page. So basically this is the checkout page, and you can see 2x is the quantity, and the colors, you can see the colors as well, gray and rosa, that I selected. So you can see it's working. Now it's a checkout page, completely different page, but the quantity is same and the colors are same that I selected on the landing page. So I don't, or your customer don't need to repeat that process again. Now if I click on add to cart, you need to put the information. Okay, all of this stuff, phone number, you can add your payment methods, and this one is the order bump. Okay, I can fix this. Now I fixed it, and if I check this, you can see there is extra €5 for the shipping, insurance, and all of this stuff, and the shipping is free. So you can see it's now working. And if I go back and select the 3x and select the different colors like this, and this, now if we go there, you will see it's 3x with the three different colors, and yes, so it's working. Now if we move to the phone, now this is the view of the phone, and this one is the menu, and this one is the slider. Okay, and now if we move down, these are the bundles, button, FAQs, review slider. Okay, and then this detail, then this one, more FAQs, reviews, and that's it. And on the phone it's again same. If you select the 3x, you can select the different colors. Okay, and then you go to the checkout page. So this is the checkout page. If you move down, you can see 3x and the different colors, add to cart, and then the form, you can add and remove the shipping, insurance, and all of this stuff, and you can complete the purchase. So that's the template. I hope you liked it, and if it is fit for your next project, then you can buy this template. You can contact me, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.